Please wait. System processing. We are having trouble connecting. Please try again. We seem to experiencing some troubles. Please check and try again. Removing data. Please wait. Low battery. Please charge. Error. Can't connect to the server. We detected an error. Please try again. Incorrect password. Unable to recognize. Please try again. I'm not sure what's going on, but I can't answer any requests right now. Please try again later. A communication error has occurred. Please try again. Sorry, we are having trouble connecting you. Please visit the help center in the Samuel website.